Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox this laptop bag, so let's see how is the quality. I ordered it from Amazon and you have the link below if you like it. So let's see, can it fit 16 inches laptop, and not only one, but we'll try to fit two laptops. So this brand is, as you can see here, Kroser. So I'm not sure is it a famous brand or no, but what I liked is that it looked pretty big, at least on the images. So I believe we can fit even two laptops inside, and it is also extendable. As you can see, a lot of space inside. So we will try how much stuff we can put inside. So as I mentioned, this extendable feature, as you can see from here, if you extend it, it becomes even more. So you can put a lot of things in this bag. So let's try first to put one 16-inch laptop here. The good thing is that it is protected from both sides. So here there is a soft part as well as here. So let's try to put this laptop here. This one fitted so easily, so I believe easily we can fit another one. So both of these are 16 inches and you can see easily two of them are fitting. So let's now close this section, and what I want to see is here, for example, there is now enough space for chargers, so I will put only one charger now. And as you can see here, a lot of space for another charger, or mouse, keyboard, or anything else you need. So let's close this one, and you can see this extendable part. There is so much more we can fit inside. On the front we have one more here, maybe for some papers, document, as well as this one, maybe some keyboard, headphones, or anything else, cables. Here you have a nice organizer for cards, anything you can put here in this section as well. You can put it also around your shoulder as well with this addition, or if you don't like this, you are more kind of stylish without this, you can easily remove it and use it only like this. Here you have also on your luggage, when you are carrying your trolley, so you can extend it, put it here, and this will hold on your trolley while you scroll it through the airport or when you are traveling. So let's close this one because we don't need it, this big extension. Let's see how it will look once I close. You can see still easily too much space inside. So I would say this is a very good bag if you have a lot of stuff to fit and you are carrying with you, and also it looks pretty fashionable to me, and this quality, this material, I believe it will last for a very long period. I don't think so it is waterproof, so you need to be careful if you are taking it outside. Of course, a small rain will not do any damage, but if you fully wet this thing, I believe it can damage your items inside. So that will be all for this video. Let me know what do you think about this Kroser bag. Is it good enough? And if you like it, you can order it from the link below. Thank you very much for watching, and until next time, Assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.